I replaced my old rundown shower head with this SR Sunrise beautiful matte black rain shower head combo, and I'm so happy I did. And there's a lot to show off, so let's start with an unboxing before I install this. Everything comes well protected, wrapped up in foam. The instructions are short but clear and have troubleshooting guides. So the shower heads themselves are plastic. Some of it is stainless steel where it matters. It comes with different water flow restrictors so you can change the pressure. And then this adjustable arm comes in an extra box, solid brass. The rainfall head is beautiful and large, so time to get this installed. If you follow the instructions, anyone will be able to get this installed. It comes with Teflon tape, which is all you need except for maybe an adjustable wrench. Every connection has rubber gaskets, so if you use the Teflon tape, you won't get so much as a single leak. I did opt to use a tool to tighten this since it's on an adjustable swivel. And we'll take a look at more of that in a second, but it's very customizable. The 71-inch hose is more than enough for this handheld sprayer, and I love that the mount is on adhesive so you can place it anywhere, even in an existing shower. Of course, I had to try this out right away, and no leaks. Now, because the shower head itself is so large, I was worried about it in my tiny shower, but it's adjustable. With a simple twist of a knob, I could loosen this brass arm and put it in virtually any position. And then, of course, the head does the exact same thing, so you can make this a rainfall or not. Oh yeah, and it rotates. But for me, it's the handheld sprayer that really steals the show. It's only 4.9 inches, so you get a lot of power coming out of a small area. And with the click of a button, you can switch between 3 different modes. One of them has quite a bit of mist. But this thing puts out so much pressure that if you're sharing it with someone who doesn't like the rainfall shower head, you can easily use this as your main shower head. And then, both shower heads can be run at the exact same time. And of course, the pressure is incredible still. Overall, I think this is a beautiful replacement shower head combo. I love the black and white contrast. The install was super straightforward, and the adjustments are enough to make this work in pretty much any shower. So if you're looking for a replacement shower head, consider SR Sunrise for a beautiful, quality product.